So what's up guys, B-Boy Elon here. You guys still watching Respeto Agulong. Just one quick vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Beverly Golf Club para sa launching ng bagong adventure scooter ng FKM, the Adventure ADV 180. I'm with Sir Moto and with his brother. Ito na, nakaklose ko siya. Mamaya makikita, no? Sir Moto now hosting the event, the grand launching. Pinapakilala yung mga moto vloggers na andito.
And then next, Bini Lumenda, our Respeto Agulong. Boys and